welcome to Grace Kitchen, and today we're going to be opening a nice unboxing. We have a Cleaver V-Star box, then 3 Astral Radiance Pokemon. And then shout out to GameStop because they had like a free box and all of the Pokemon cards were 15% off. And this what we got for free. A silver Pikachu. Which one do we want to do first? Comment down below. Don't comment down below. Yeah, I'll do the Cleaver box first. A mess. Code card and like the good stuff isn't coming out. Got some Astral Radiance in this. What's this?
Fusion Strike.
We got Fusion Strike in this. We got more Astral Radiance. Ooh, it's that one.
Brilliant Stars.
We got some Brilliant Stars. We got
another one.
Some more Brilliant Stars. And we got
another Fusion Strike.
And we got another Fusion Strike. This is our giant card. It has a giant Pokeball. And we got this. That's a keychain. Here are our little Pokemon cards that are good. That's gonna be our VIP. Then we got the quarter, which is that. And we got the code card. We got this V-Star thing. Get started. And remember, there's that looking cool. I'm gonna start with the function pack.
Fusion Strike.
I'm going to start with the Fusion Strike packs, these ones. I think this one's going to be lucky. This one's going to be good. I know. No matter what I think, it's going to be good. Fusion Strike. That code card off. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got a energy card. First card of the day. We got this. We got trainer. Got another trainer. Ooh, I never got this one. That looks cool. A lot of like weird looking ones. Like I don't even got the weird looking. Got the keys. Got this one. This is our reverse card. Ooh, that guy's hard to beat in my game. Really hard. And oh, we just got this legendary. Not a legendary. Moving on to our next one. A fusion strike. Code card. One, two, three, and a four, I think. We got a fire energy. First card of this pack is that. Ooh, that one looks cool. Got that card. Got that card. Got that card. And then we got that card. Not even up to the shiny. Yeah. We got that card. We got that card. This is our shinies. Got this one. Oh my gosh. The full art. That thing looks cool. We already got the V. Wow. We got the V in here. Moving on to these two packs. Have this guy first. I don't know why, but I feel like Charizard's better than the God Pokemon. Like Charizard, crazy. He's a battle boy. Charizard's that crazy. Code card. One, two, three, and a four, I think. Yeah. Got a shadow energy. Ooh, we already got to the upgrades. This one is a. Guess what, guys? All of the fans and stuff. I'm gonna get this one in my game. Yeah. Just showed you next Pokemon card. That one. Got trainer. Got that. Ooh! Maybe we'll get the level up of it. Ooh, we got this one. This one. Moving on to our shiny. Oh, then we just got that one for the legendary. Non-hollow. Then our next one of that one. Got a Charizard. Charizard is crazy. He's my man. Got him in my game. Liam not even has Charizard. Like, got it from Dad's game. We don't even need flipping code cards. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fire Energy Punch. Just fighting style. Got that Pokemon card. Got this one. Got this one. Got this one. Got this one even. And then we got this one. And we got this one. And then we got this one. Moving on to the shinies. Got this one. Oh! Oh my gosh! Another full art! Wow! Wow, that thing is looking cool. We just hit some money, I feel like. For the cards. Got the different code card. One, 2, 3, 4. Got a Leaf Energy. Got that guy. I'm gonna fix my stack. Made it wrong. Pickaxe. Got this dude. We got Cypher. Got Eevee. Got whatever this dude is. Ooh, this is in the new series. So it's new. I just got we're moving on to the reverses cards. And this is our good one. That moves us on to the Astral Radiance packs. Good card. Ooshy dooshy. We got some stuff good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Electric Energy. We got water one again. Got that one. Get these ones in my YouTube videos. Got that one. We got that one. Got that one. Yeah, that guy. Got that one. Got that one. Ooh, we're moving on to our reverse cards. And then this is our rare for this pack. I love this coin. Like, looks so cool. gonna go straight to this one. Got that one. Got that one. Got that one. We got that one again. Ooh, now we got the normal of this one. There's our shiny. And then this is our rare for this one. We just got energy. We got that card. Then we just got this card. Wait, I feel like I'm getting extras. I'm getting this card. And then I got this card. The code card. I mean, it's card. Oh boy. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lightning energy. Got a trainer. Got this one. Got a big axe. Got this guy again. 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 This is our reverse cards. Got this one. Then this is our rare. I'm not getting that lucky, but you get lucky. Hope there's a good one in this one, you guys, because this is our last pack. Guard. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Got the V-Star card. Got fossils. Got that one. Got another trainer. Got owls. Got this guy. Got this guy again. Got this guy. Not good. The Pokemon card found. It found again. The card's unlucky. We got this card. Oh my gosh. And I think we just got this. Wow. That is a legendary. And you got the level up of Eevee. Bye guys. Thank you for watching this YouTube video. And make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.